Hi, welcome to Happy Living. Keep smiling and stay happy.
In our cooking series today we are going to check a new Kerala dish, that's yellow pumpkin Erissery. Two tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 cup grated coconut, 2 green chillies, 3/4 teaspoon of Jeera, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, half teaspoon Asafoetida or Hing, 250 grams of yellow pumpkin, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Mirchi Powder, 8 to 10 curry leaves and coriander leaves to garnish. Grind the half quantity of grated coconut, 3/4 teaspoon of jeera and 2 green chillies in a mixer to fine paste by adding water. One small tip: alternate for this yellow pumpkin, you can use yam or raw banana. Cut pumpkin into pieces and add them to a kadai or a pan. The pumpkin pieces, add water until it soaks. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of mirchi powder. Pumpkin should get cooked at least 75%. As the pumpkin boils, add the paste from the mixer. Add salt based on your taste. Two tablespoons of coconut oil. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a teaspoon of urad dal. Once it pops out, add half teaspoon of Asafoetida. Add curry leaves and fry well. Remaining quantity of grated coconut. Fry well until it turns to slight brown color. Now add this to the pumpkin kadai. Add coriander leaves and mix well. Now it should get boiled nicely.
Now the dish is ready. Serve hot. Recipe is also available at the description below. Thank you. See you soon with another delicious dish. Until then, it's your Lata Shravan signing off.